The Malwarebytes toolset is an all-in-one portable utility to help technicians diagnose, remediate, repair, and secure Windows PCs. Within seconds of launching the toolset, technicians are quickly informed on the essential operating system, hardware, software, network, and history details so they can triage an affected device. With our built-in crash dump analyzer, you can perform a deep technical analysis of system crashes to resolve troublesome blue screen errors. You can even perform a fast site survey with our network devices scanner, so you don't have to guess which other devices are connected to the local network you're servicing. Need to crush a malware infection? No problem. With the toolset, you have the power of the Malwarebytes portable scanner right at your fingertips. Harness the power of our issue scanner to discover failing hardware, smart disk drive errors, important event logs, and repair troubling Windows OS issues. Detailed results are displayed in moments so you can make the right call. The Toolbox feature puts you just a few clicks away from securing PCs with the latest version of Malwarebytes or running additional utilities to fix problems. With built-in search functionality, you can instantly discover other tools and utilities within Toolset or within Windows. Endlessly expand the capabilities of the Malwarebytes toolset by adding your own tools and scripts with My Tools. Want to remove malware on a Mac? The toolset has you covered too with Malwarebytes Breach Remediation for Mac. Whether you're in person, remote, just starting out, or an IT expert, the Malwarebytes toolset gives technicians what they need to easily and effectively service devices. Get the Malwarebytes toolset now with purchase of our education site license. To learn more about additional technologies included in the Malwarebytes education site license, visit malwarebytes.com/education.